Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the account section, tap add account, then select Google. Of course, you will need to be connected to the internet to add Google account. Here you have to select your enter your email or phone number. Then tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Here you have to select, here you have to agree with Google service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, what you have to do is to tap accept here, and your account will be added. If you want to remove this account from your device, just select it here and tap remove account here. Then confirm it, and account will be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.